Very good evening, students. So, Priyam, would you like to present your activities today? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Excellent, bache.
Good evening, all of you. Today, I will present 4 activities back to back. News. Today is June, celebrated World Ocean Day and National Best Friend Day. And second thing is amazing facts. English is the language of air. And third point, health tip. Wake up early morning and eat one apple every day for your health and say to bye-bye doctor. And my thought, every student join a Tarun Sir Academy and learn spoken and well English. Thank you for listening me.
Thank you so much. That's an honor. I'm really amazed to listen to this actually thought. Thank you so much. What a wonderful thought. And you promoted my center indirectly. That is also one thing that had actually come like a surprise to me. Okay, so this is how we present our 4 activities. Next candidate, please present your activities. Yes.
A very good evening to one and all present here today. Harsh Patra is going to present my 4 activities back to back. First, latest news: 15 more cases of black fungus found in Lucknow in 24 hours. Amazing fact: a bat can eat up to 1,000 insects per hour. Health tip: follow a proper diet in this situation. Last but not the least, thought: every big happiness starts from very small happiness. Thank you.
Very good. Anyone else who wants to present?
Yes. Good evening.
Yes, Kinjal, present your activities.
Good evening to all of you. Today, I, Kinjal Arora, would like to present my 4 activities back to back. And English news: huge internet outage, international websites including NYT, Bloomberg News, Amazon go down. An amazing fact: according to National Geographic, the entire world's population could fit inside Los Angeles. A health tip: reduce intake of harmful fats. A thought: winning does not mean being first.
Very good, Ravisha. Yes.
Good evening to one and all present here. Today, I, Ravisha, would like to present my 4 activities back to back. News: history shows India did not lack access to vaccines as claimed by PM Modi. Fact: a porcupine's teeth never stop growing, so he has to constantly keep wearing them down. Thought: if you fail, never give up, because fail means first attempt in learning, by APJ Abdul Kalam. Health tip: it is considered that turmeric is a healthy antibacterial which helps in healing of wounds. Thank you.
Excellent. Yes. Anyone else? Students who wants to try? Present your activities. Yes, please.
Good afternoon.
Akarshika, yes.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I, Akarshika Gupta, going to present my 4 activities back to back. English news is New Delhi, June 8, a day after Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced free vaccine for all the above 18 years of age, 18 years old. Amazing fact: your heart beats 1 lakh, 10 lakhs times a day. Health tip: don't drink alcohol. Thought: only you should change your life. No one will do it for you. Thank you.
Okay, fine. Now, see, listen to this, everyone. दो मैं सारे बच्चों से एक्टिविटीज प्रेजेंट नहीं करा सकता क्योंकि हम लोगों को आज एक नई एक्टिविटी करनी है. We all are going to actually practice this activity in the name of group discussion. Everyone, read out the topic that I have written on the screen. Read out this topic.
More career conscious these days, girls or boys?
Boys or girls?
Very good, very good. Thank you so much. Now see, this is today's activity, group discussion. I had already taught you people that what is a group discussion. Group discussion is a discussion that takes place between 2 or more. And today in the GD, we have near about 12 students. It's going to be an awesome experience. So I am going to start with the first round. This is the topic in front of you. I would start the first round. The first round is known as the opinion round. बच्चों, और कैसे ये देखिएगा, मुझको सुनिएगा कि मैं कैसे अपना ओपिनियन दे रहा हूं। तब तक आप भी अपना ओपिनियन रेडी रखें कि बॉयज आर मोर करियर कॉन्शियस दीज डेज और गर्ल्स आर मोर करियर कॉन्शियस दीज डेज। ठीक है, वेरी गुड इवनिंग to one and all present in my meeting room. Today I, Tarun sir, would like to present my GD topic, which says that who is more career conscious. In my point of view, I would like to say girls have become a little more career conscious than boys. अब ये देखिए, मेरा ओपिनियन हो गया, मुझको 12 ओपिनियन चाहिए और बहुत ही कम टाइम में आपको ओपिनियन देना है। सबसे पहले ख्वाहिश स्टार्ट करिए जरा।
Yes, sir. In this topic, according to me, girls are more conscious than boys.
That's it. That's it. Okay, good. Only opinion. You said girls are more career conscious. Priyanshi.
Good morning to all. In my opinion, girls are more career conscious than boys.
Ravisha.
As far as I am concerned, I think girls are more career conscious than boys.
Diksha.
So in my opinion, girls are more career conscious than boys.
Tanu.
As my opinion, girls are more career conscious than boys.
Randeep ma'am.
Sir, girls are more career conscious these days.
I think so. I'll have to change my opinion and I'll prove you all wrong. Priyam Tiwari. Yes beta, what do you think? कौन ज्यादा अपने करियर को लेके जागरूक है? प्रियम, बॉयज और गर्ल्स? अच्छा, नहीं बोलना है। ओके, चेतन, व्हाट इज योर ओपिनियन? यस मिस्टर चेतन। यस, ऑडियो अपना अनम्यूट करिए। चेतन, व्हाट डू यू थिंक, हु इज मोर करियर कॉन्शियस दीज डेज?
Sir, girls are more career conscious than
Excellent.
these days.
Excellent to see you coming up with your opinion. Kinjal.
So girls are more career conscious these days.
Oh my God. Nikhil.
Sir, in my opinion, both girls and boys are career conscious these days.
But when it comes to a group discussion, beta,
Sir, both.
हाँ. Okay, Priyam said both.
Both are, yes sir.
Okay, but now see, listen to this very carefully. When it comes to a GD, you cannot support both. Okay, this is actually a group discussion. You will have to only support one. So I am changing my opinion. I would be against all of you. I will prove it that boys are more career conscious. मतलब आज की लड़ाई आप 12 लोग की और तरुण सर अकेले। तो चलिए देखते हैं कौन जीतता है। आप सेकंड राउंड जीडी का चलते हैं लेके, एंड हाउ दिस सेकंड राउंड टेक्स प्लेस, ये देखिए कैसे आपको स्टार्ट करना होता है। ठीक है, कोई वहां से 1 2 3 करिए काउंटिंग, मैं स्टार्ट करूंगा।
1 2 3 start.
Now I would like to initiate the group discussion by saying that boys are more career conscious. The reason behind this is that I have seen many boys while studying, they start earning money. So why do they earn money while studying? Reason why, because they have already set up their career that they want to earn money, and this is how they will progress in life. Below 18 years of age, boys start earning money. Counter my point. मेरे खिलाफ बोलिए फटाफट। अरे बाप रे बाप।
Sir, not
So many
only boys, sir, girls also.
Girls also, but I think so the strength. If you talk about the strength.
Girls
Sir,
are
because
also
sir,
same requirement.
Sir, because girls have the time limit, and there is no time limit for boys to go out, and
there is no time limit. Okay, I would like to speak against your point by saying that first of all, these are excuses. because there are many girls. You contradicted your own point. There are many girls who are working in night call centers. So how can you say that there is a time limit? My God, Delhi, Gurugram, Noida, there are near about thousands of girls who go and work. But I have seen them working after intermediate, after 12th, not before 12th. So boys, they are more responsible and career conscious because along with studies, they know very well how to manage a job. One by one, speak against my point.
I contradict your point by saying that because there are some parents who say that girls cannot go out after 8 or 10 or any like time limit.
So don't go. What should I do? Don't go. Whose parents restrict them to not to go after 8 PM? That means I would like to tell you, इसका मतलब वो बच्चा शायद उतना काबिल नहीं होगा. ये मैं आपको अभी लिख के दे दूं. I think so. The ward or the child would not be that capable enough. In case if you are capable, अरे what are you talking of? Sunita Williams and Kalpana Chawla have touched the space, and you are saying that 8 PM. This is not that India which will follow the rule of 8 PM. जज्बा होना चाहिए करने का. I would like to speak against girls by saying that girls, they do not want to travel actually. They do not want to relocate. I have heard many girls. मैंने कई girls को सुना है जहां सरकारी नौकरी मिल गई तो पता चला उनसे बोला गया, और जहां सरकारी नौकरी नहीं मिली तो भी मैंने सुना उनसे बोला गया कि अरे भाई आपकी पोस्टिंग हो जाएगी सहारनपुर में, और ये बच्ची है लखनऊ की, वो कहेगी अरे मैं कभी नहीं जाऊंगी. किस बात का करियर कॉन्शियस? काउंटर माय पॉइंट.
I would like to counter your point by saying that boys are more dependent on their parents' service, that they will continue it after them, and they do not
I
focus
would
on
like
their career
to,
than
can
that.
I interrupt? Can I interrupt your point?
Yes, sir.
Oh my God, boys are more dependent on their parents' income. You need to correct your facts and figures. It's the boys who take the first step of moving outside. Girls are still in their comfort zone. You won't believe, I have an example. When I was pursuing my MBA, there was a group of girls sitting. They were not getting a job, and they wanted a job to come at their doorstep. वो लोग चाहती थी कि नौकरी उनके दरवाजे पे आ जाए, वो कहीं ना जाएं. तो उन्होंने बात क्या करी मालूम? मैं नाम कभी नहीं लूंगा. You know what they said? They said, अब तो भाई यही है, MBA कर लिया है, कोई अच्छा रिश्ता आ जाएगा. ये करियर कॉन्शियस है. अरे 20 जगह अप्लाई तक नहीं किया होगा. They must have not applied in 20 companies, और पहले ही हार मान गए. And this is how what happens while preparing for government exams. सरकारी एग्जाम को प्रिपेयर करते 2 अटेम्प्ट फेल, तीसरे अटेम्प्ट में मैंने देखा है शादी. करियर कॉन्शियस. यस रणदीप मैम वांट्स टू काउंटर माय पॉइंट. रणदीप मैम. शी इज नॉट देयर. तनु दयाल.
Sir, according to a study, boys have larger brain, but the brain of a girl matures faster than boys.
Oh, that is something appreciable. But here we are talking about.
I want to support.
Okay, good. Bolo.
I want to support my friend's point. Girls are much more aware of their true strengths and potentials.
Nice. Chetan and Nikhil, come up.
Sir, according
Okay, Akarshika, बोलिए.
Sir, according to me, in today's time, boys are keep busy in fighting with other boys and use the taglines mafia with her own names.
They are using the tag mafia.
Yes, sir. They are busy in fighting with other boys and use the tagline mafia and all.
तुमको बड़ी जानकारी है. अच्छा भाई. Okay, class. Now,
sir, I would like to contradict my friends.
Oh, Priyam wants to come in. क्या बात है बच्चे अपने आप से बोल रहे हैं. हाँ.
I would like to my friends.
हाँ ना ना ना
Sir,
ना ना
there
ना
is
एक सेकंड आई वुड लाइक टू माय फ्रेंड नहीं बेटा फ्रेंड को कहाँ लाइक करने लगोगे
I would like to
हाँ
contradict my friend.
कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट वेरी गुड हाँ
Contradict my friend.
आगे
I would like to my contradict friend. There is there are unfair rights between boys and girls.
Oh, excellent. You are talking regarding this Indian culture, unfair rights. Absolutely correct. Girls want to do a lot, but I think so somewhere down the ground they are restricted also. Now I have a very strong point. सब लोग ध्यान से सुनना.
Both are fights, girls and boys.
Okay. I would like to speak against your point by saying that you won't believe I am running a center. Okay, I am running a center and my center's name is Desire Career Point. For the past 7 years, now this is my 8th year. I am the director of Desire Career Point. You won't believe, everyone knows that I provide free education to BPL girls, and not only girls, boys. मतलब मैं फ्री एजुकेशन देता हूं, भले पर्सनल एग्जांपल्स जीडी में नहीं लाए जाते, लेकिन आपको केवल समझाने के लिए बोल रहा हूं. सुनना अभी ध्यान से बेटा. 8 साल मतलब 8 साल से 8 ईयर से मैंने बहुत कोशिश करी कि भाई जैसे आदिवासी होते हैं, मैं न्यूज में देखता हूं, उनको पढ़ाया जाता है फ्री में. मैं आज, क्योंकि ये रिकॉर्डिंग YouTube पर पोस्ट हो जाएगी थोड़ी देर में, 8 साल से मैं केवल 10 लड़कियों को मुफ्त की शिक्षा दे चुका हूं, फ्री एजुकेशन, जो कि सही में गरीबी रेखा से नीचे थी. और पूरे के पूरे आलमबाग में रहता हूं मैं, पता था कि तरुण सर ऐसे बच्चों का सपोर्ट करते हैं. बताइए, 8 साल में 10 बच्चियां पढ़ने आई जहां पर पैसा देना ही नहीं था. अब आप कहेंगे करियर कॉन्शियस. अब इसकी इंग्लिश सुनो. फॉर द पास्ट 8 years आई हैव नॉट टॉट मोर देन 10 BPL girls. I know, I respect it. You know why I respect it? Because they are scared. बेचारी डरती भी हैं थोड़ा. लेकिन again the same thing when it comes to career. Why only boys want to go and do mobile repairing? The boys are more in number when it comes to BTech and all. Boys are more in number to prepare for government jobs and all. Boys are more in number in terms of sports and games. Boys are more in number when it comes to YouTube. निखिल अग्रवाल जी आइए जरा पिक्चर में.
Sir, it's just because the society's rules.
Society's rules, very good. A lot of aggression बच्चों में. चेतन जी, हाँ भाई, छोटा चेतन, बताइए जरा अपना पॉइंट. अरे बेटा कोई दिक्कत नहीं, तुम परेशान ना हो, तुम अपना पॉइंट बोलो, बस बोलो. हाँ हाँ बोलो बच्चे. अच्छा, you said that girls are more career conscious. Can you give me an example? कोई एग्जाम्पल दीजिए जीडी में.
सर एक पॉइंट मैं बोलना चाहूंगी.
ओके, रणदीप मैम आइए. रणदीप मैम बोलिए.
सर एक पॉइंट मैंने लिखा था रोल ऑफ पेरेंट्स के लिए. जैसे रोल ऑफ पेरेंट्स इम्पोर्टेंस टू इनकरेज.
हाँ ओके.
सर रोल्स ऑफ पेरेंट्स इट्स is importance to encourage their daughters to make choices for themselves as career conscious women and get educated accordingly.
Accordingly, very good. Okay, ma'am.
Sir, grow up daughters have 2 choices along with their parents. Collect money for dowry होता है ना सर.
हाँ dowry, okay.
Dowry or spend some amount of money for the education and career goals.
Okay ma'am, good point. Priyanshi Garg wants to come in.
So I want to say that in taking initiative, girls are more than boys as 55.6% are girls and 48.2% are boys.
Oh my God, I wasn't aware of this data. And Shashwat has also supported girls are more career conscious. Let's see why. Shashwat, are you there? Okay, Khwahish, come up with your second point.
Sir, you have said that boys are more number in government jobs. So if we take up teaching, in teaching, girls are only number of girls. There are more number of girls in teaching. So how can you say that boys are more
I would
number?
like to add to your point
Very
that
good, very good. Okay.
According to a survey, we came to know that the proportion of percentage teachers, men to women, are 76.5 for women and 23.5 are men.
Oh, excellent. I agree. Teaching jobs, women, they have created miracle. They have created a miracle. Excellent. God bless them. And
teaching job or nursing job.
Nursing
social
jobs.
worker.
Very good. Nursing jobs,
Yes,
social
and
workers.
I would
air
also like to say
hostess,
that
banking.
some career like where high percentage of girls reach, and there are just a few percentage of boys, such as secretaries, 96.9%, women registered nurses, 91.3%, and cashiers, 74.8%.
Name any women who is leading a country right now.
Mamata Banerjee.
She is leading a country. Shame on you.
The Queen Elizabeth.
Queen Elizabeth. Okay, only one name. मुझको 5 नाम चाहिए. करीबन
Kamala Harris, the Vice President of United States of America.
Very good. Kamala Harris. Very good. ऐसे तो फिर समझे. Good. Why did I mention this? It's not about career consciousness. It's about the potential also. समझ गए ना? So we would end the GD. I would like to start a grammar class. Or
So last point.
Yes, Priyam. बोल बच्चे.
In this group, girls are more than boys.
In this group, okay, this is very nice, mere bachche, and absolutely correct. I can name 10 boys who are absent. Om, Igjot, Tanmay, Guru Bakshish, Ayushman Pal, Aman
So
Preet.
girls are more conscious for
Very
career.
good. Excellent. Look at her vision. Last point. I think so. Someone wants to quote her last point. Yes. Last. Jaldi se. Fatafat.
Sir, as we take in a class, normal school class, then if we take up of the toppers, there are more girls. There are girls who are topping, who are getting more position than boys in the class.
Okay, fine.
I would
fine.
also like to say that girls decide to complete their degrees and get their job rather than boys who try more to continue their parents' job.
That's it. Thank you so much. And now, everyone, learn to conclude. I'm going to teach you how to conclude. Okay.
Sir, may
You want to conclude, Akarshika? Fatafat.
Can
jaldi
I?
se. Yes, please.
Sir, girls and boys, they both have to prove themselves that they can do anything. Sir, according to me, I think that if someone is telling me today that I'm not good, and then tomorrow, if I am successful, then all my evils will go down and my success will be visible to everyone.
Excellent. Now,
Can I conclude?
Okay, beta, let me teach them. Wait. Okay, but very good to see your energy. My God, you have proved it that girls are more career conscious. Boys ने तो बोला ही नहीं उतना.
Thank you, sir.
Excellent. Now in conclusion, I would like to say that both boys and girls are focused towards their career. It is only the atmosphere and friend circle that distracts them from achieving their goals. So you should be a better judge. इस तरीके से conclude किया जाता है. तो तो मंडे ट्यूसडे की एक्टिविटी हो गई है स्पीकिंग की। अब वेंसडे थर्सडे फ्राइडे आपकी ग्रामर क्लास होगी, और ग्रामर क्लास में हम आ गए, ये लीजिए। अब आओ जरा, इतने गलत गलत सेंटेंसेस आप लोग ने बीच बीच में बोले हैं, मैंने कुछ नहीं टोका। इसी को कहते हैं कॉमन मिस्टेक्स इन इंग्लिश, क्योंकि अगर ग्रामर गड़बड़ है तो भाई स्पीकिंग गड़बड़ है, समझ गए? तो वापस आ जाते हैं ग्रामर पर। एक्सीलेंट, रुक जाओ, केवल इस तरफ वाला देखना, अभी ये वाला नहीं देखना, बिकॉज वी हैव लेस टाइम नाउ। सी, मैं एक सेंटेंस बोलने जा रहा हूं, लिखने जा रहा हूं, आप बताइएगा कि सही है कि नहीं वो, ठीक है? चेतन, अपना ऑडियो अनम्यूट करिए जरा।
I agree to
Yes.
my
हाँ,
friendship. नहीं, friendships point.
फ्रेंडशिप, हा हा फ्रेंडशिप, वाह वाह बेटा, फ्रेंडशिप
Point,
कहाँ से
sorry.
लिख गया? ओके बेटा, हाँ तो भाई ये हाँ बेटा, ये लिखा है आई एग्री टू माई फ्रेंड्स पॉइंट। तो चेतन, डू यू फाइंड एनी एरर? डू यू फाइंड एनी एरर इन दिस सेंटेंस?
Sir, I
No, 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 no,
I
no, no,
would
no,
like
no, 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 no. Who is interrupting?
नहीं,
Okay, you said no. Okay, fine. Audio mute कर लो बेटा, ठीक है। एक बच्चे ने बोला no. Sashwat, what is the error in this sentence?
Sir, no error.
Okay, he said no error. कोई बात नहीं। Nikhil wants to come in. Nikhil.
Can I?
हाँ हाँ हाँ, wait. हाँ.
Sir, there is an error. Sir, I agree with my friend's point.
Here you said I agree with. कौन बोलना चाहता है कि with होगा ग्रामर में? बोलिए।
Sir, I.
Only one.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I.
Two people. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Absolutely
I.
correct. Yes, 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 yes. Fine, समझे ना? I agree with my friend's point. आप लोग ने बोला that ये वाला सेंटेंस सही होगा, बोलो हाँ।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
और कौन टू बोलना चाह रहा है with के बदले? कोई नहीं, पक्का?
sir,
अच्छा, रुके रहो रुके रहो रुके रहो रुके रहो, बड़ी मजा आने वाली। रुके रहो रुके रहो रुके रहो, एक सेकंड रुक जाओ, हैं? अभी फंसेंगे खुद ही, देखना अभी ग्रामर में। रुके रहना, कोई बोलना नहीं अब। यही पढ़ते हो? एक सेकंड रुको जरा। इन दोनों सेंटेंस में कौन सा गलत कौन सा सही, जल्दी जल्दी बताओ। पहला वाला सही है?
Yes, sir.
और दूसरे वाले में क्या करें, विद लगाएं कि टू सही है? अब बोलो।
सही है।
It's a with आएगा.
So with
अच्छा, विद आएगा।
2 आएगा.
No, sir. Two. Second is correct.
Sir, 2 is correct.
देखा बेटा,
Sir,
इसे कहते हैं ग्रामर, समझ गए? तो मेरे बच्चों, ऐसे सेंटेंसेस को सीखने के लिए आप लोग लॉग इन करेंगे कल इसी टाइम पर 4:30 PM। रुको रुको, अभी जाना नहीं, भागना नहीं है। कहाँ भाग रहे हो? सो कल हम लोग ग्रामर क्लास करेंगे, कॉमन मिस्टेक्स। ऐसे कई सेंटेंसेस हैं इंग्लिश में जो हम लोग डेली बोल रहे हैं और गलत हैं, समझ रहे हैं? जो हम लोग डेली बोल रहे हैं जो कि गलत हैं। सो सी यू टुमारो एट 4:30 PM in the grammar class. Thank you so much. God bless you all.
thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Have a
Bye bye
nice
bye
day.
bye bye bye.
Have a nice day.
Thank you.